Test.
Yeah.
Test.
Well, okay.
Dyna ni. Ni di sort of edrych.
Okay. Yeah, well, ni di cael dechreuad ffantastig gyda blue screen of death, neu nhw'n gael hwnna just blue screen. Windows blue screen.
When you cael blue screen o death, when ni'n like bump or focus right thing, a roedd fi'n just mynd...
Yeah, caput, o'n i'n poeni. Ti'n iawn?
Still mynd ar draws.
Yeah, okay. Right.
Oh, dyna ni.
Dyna i symud draw.
Ei. Ydy'r mics yn gweithio iawn?
Ydyn ni'n clir nawr, achos ni roi un mic yn clir i gwynebau ni heno, achos dim ond dau ni sydd.
Emrys, os ti'n dal hwnna.
O'n i wedi rhoi hwn jyst rhag ofyn bod Josh yn dod o. Ni ddim yn credu mai nawr, so ni symud hwnna i ffwrdd.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Actually, let me just... I'll look at a broadcast ar ffôn fi.
Ai, man.
Gwych.
O ti di clywed...
Mae gen i ad.
O ti di clywed acen ofnadwy Emrys? O ti yn, o ti? Oedd ei'n meddwl bod pawb yn y cymoedd yn dweud YI, man.
Yeah, rwy'n araf...
YI. Ni
ddim.
ddim.
Byth wedi clywed rhywun dweud
Na,
YI.
mae neb wedi dweud.
Byth wedi clywed.
Ar wahân i bobl sy'n neud acen Geordie o'r cymoedd, bydden nhw ddim yn dweud hynna.
YI?
Dyna pan mae'n dweud ai.
Mae'n dweud ai? O, ai ba?
Ai.
Aia?
Aia.
Mae byth wedi clywed yn dweud YI. Beth
Na.
yw YI yn golygu?
Ni jyst yn dweud hynna. Fi yn gwybod pam.
Beth ydy'n golygu?
Dim clem.
Ai.
Right.
Ni'n mynd i chwarae Guacamelee Super Turbo Championship Edition.
Yeah. Ni di bwyta bwyd Mecsicanaidd heno, so ni yn y mood am bach o Guacamelee. Bach. Ydy e?
Microphones, let's try it now.
Okay.
Alrighty
then.
Let's get over again. Yeah, ydy y levels hwnna yn iawn i pawb?
Yeah. Right.
Just ask am YI.
YI? Just I.
There's no I, no YI.
Double I. Okay.
Test.
1, 2, 3. Ffwrdd â ni. O, nes o'n i, okay?
Yeah. Testy.
Testy.
Yeah, hwnna'n swnio'n right.
O, hwnna ddim.
Bydd Paul yn cael double ar mwyn gwylio'r screen. Test there.
Okay. Mynd i profi hwnna nawr. So, dyma ni Guacamelee Super Turbo Championship Edition. Mae Owain di chwarae hwn o'r blaen. Cyrraedd pwynt, oedd yn tricky. Ar y Steam Deck? Oh, good.
Dwi'n chwarae hyn ar Steam Deck, ond rwy'n cyrraedd pwynt. A rwy'n rhoi lan o'r pwynt. Rwy'n rwy galed i.
So ni'n mynd i curo hwn gyda'r power of friendship. Apparently hwnna ni, dwi'n gwybod. Fi di clywed e unwaith. Okay, so nawn ni symud ymlaen. Ti'n gwasgu botymau? Ti pigo fyny hwn fi'n credu?
Ydy e'n... Oh, mae'n... Ydy e'n...
Mae fod. Dyna pan fi di dewis e. Falle ar ôl pwynt specific.
Juan, wake up.
Wake up. Juan, Ie, fi'n credu falle fi roed i fi... O'n i'n meddwl bod na pêl fanna, nid pêl oedd e, just pêl droi. You know, fel background jump, okay.
One fan.
Come on, tequila.
Yn hoffi'r lucha libres.
Yeah, wrth gwrs.
You're finally awake. Noon is upon us. The sun's at its zenith.
Nah.
No time to sleep the day
away. Time to sleep the day away. The Dia de los Muertos festival is nigh. Fi bron yn meddwl bod fi di priodi rhywun o ddo Mexico. Take some time to compose yourself. I could use your strong arms at the church once you've brushed your teeth. Oh?
Oh,
okay. Diolch. Casa de Juan. O, digon o ieir a colomenod.
Mae'r art style game is really nice.
Mae'n hyfryd. Right. Weblucho. Okay. Pa foment fi'n ffeindio ffrind? Dyna'r thing. fi'n tybio dyna sy'n mynd i ddigwydd. Fi'n mynd i dod o draws rhywun. Hey Juan, all the luchadors are practicing for the upcoming Dia de los Muertos tournament. I can't let you pass. Okay, fine. Let me check os ma 'na options.
Glover.
Go. Right, why? Because I don't want to be short on tequila. Oh, sorry Juan, I'd love to invite you, but it's luchadores only. Okay. Favorite toilets? Okay. Follow them in lawr fyna? Nah, okay. Fel double jump mechanic ar hwn. Neu na. Dim eto, falle wedyn. Why? Hello Juan. You remember my son, the luchador? He got 3 bandits. Okay.
Need to go for the first minutes of the game.
Oh, no, fine. Oh, no, fine. Ni ddim yn meindio hwnna. It's true, I was a real mamacita in the old days. Mamacita! Cofio'r wrestler? Nag oedd o'n nhw'n galw fel
Oh,
China
yeah.
yn Mamacita. Fi'n siŵr oedd hwnna fel y thing. Oedd Guerrero, Eddie Guerrero, yn siŵr oedd e'n dweud fel Mamacita.
Yeah.
Fi'n siŵr bod. Okay. Oh. Okay. Pam? Yd ni... O, yd ti'n bwrw. Bwrw nhw. Cywiar. Neu'r ieir, sorry. Ieir. Sorry. Hwnna'n game gwahanol.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Cheerio. Hey, dyma ni.
Viva la Raz.
Hola Juan, thanks for coming to help. Ah, okay.
Viva la Raz. Trying to
Expecting people to come from all over for the festival. Even El Presidente's daughter has returned from La Universidad de Santa Lucita.
Whoa.
Enough gossip, could you bust up those empty wine barrels over in the corner? Okay, gallai ni hwnna. Oh yeah. What's strange? The President's daughter always said she was your princess. Such a nice girl, and I'm so glad the elven ambassador's son is out of the picture. What a scandal! Oh, what's that? Telenovela. Hablando del Rey de Roma. Look who appears. Hello, Frey. Juan. Hey, asked me to stop by today. I didn't expect you to be here. Juan, you look so... Remember when we were kids? We used to get into so much trouble together. Whoa, that feels like so long ago now. Really grown up. Nah. Anyway, Frey, I found this chest you're asking about. I'll bring them over later. Friend, can you come by the mansion and help me carry them? I'd really love to spend some time with you. If you want, baby, we could even go to the festival together. I should go. Hope to see you later, Juan. Bye, Frey. Hey, Juan, didn't you hear what you said? Now's your chance. Oh, this is better than watching my telenovelas. Okay. Whoa, how many times do I have to tell those kids not to play with fireworks? What was I saying? Yes, El Presidente's daughter, you really should go see her. Okay.
Yo, Juan.
Yo, Juan.
Good shout.
Yep. Come on, then.
President.
Hey, Juan, what's up? Some cheers at the festival. Sure, I'll just... Ay, Dios mío, El Presidente's mansion is on fire. Do something, Juan.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Okay. Oh,
Uh-oh.
I need a hero. Dim your strikes.
Go on, Juan.
So someone is trying to play hero. You're far from the field, Agave boy. This is no place for you. Juan, run now before this ugly skeleton gets you. Ooh. Uh-oh. Aha, what do we have here? I sure wouldn't mind melting those eyes off the skull. Gran Calaca. It would be a pleasure to get into this. Give this one to me, flame face. I could use a bit of action today. Who are you here? Silencio. Jaguar Javier here. You can be trusted to handle this. Unfortunately, he is occupied. I'll get rid of this puny Jimador myself. The living world may have chosen to forget me once, but I won't give them a choice this time. I'm Carlos Calaca, ruler of the dead world, and you're not even a luchador. Prepare to die. Ha 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 ha. This is Carlos Calaca, special guest. Oh. Oh no! Hey guys, what I miss? Okay. An edge of fell.
Or is it Mexico for a story? Probably for me.
Wait here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, probably. Let's try if you got him without Okay. Ah. Nice. Greetings, Juan. I'm Tostada, guardian of the mask. Ventures into the mask reveals itself to you. Calaca has thrown the universe out of order. You must have some role to play. If you put this mask on, Juan, its power will bring you back to the world of the living. Are you ready? Come on,
Hell yeah.
Come on, man. Nice. Oh. Fi'n barod am yr Lucha Libre nawr.
Yeah.
Blue Demon! Dyna yw fel y famous masked wrestler guy yw Blue Demon.
Un man fel un yn Welsh wrestling yn gwisgo.
Yeah, yn union, yeah.
Sut ydych chi'n gallu gwisgo mas?
Wel, mae fel folk, like, rhywbeth traddodiadol Mecsicanaidd Lucha Libre, so fi ddim yn credu mae fel trademarked in that sense.
Mae'n going to protect.
Fi ddim yn credu. Yn cwestiwn da, rhywun i edrych fan. Now, please go to save the town.
Fi rwy'n mynd i gwylio nhw.
Oh, yn Welsh wrestling? Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, rwy'n pigo i man. Rwy'n like, pwy'n pint am y mask.
A second player may now join. Joio fe.
I'm going to feed your mask.
Okay, gynta, digon dig. Yeah, Blue Demon. Mae dy fi cwpl o nhw yn y tŷ.
Mae'n gwych. Mae'n dangos yn y chat.
Yeah. Blue Demon. Oh, brilliant. Yeah. Yeah.
A Blue Demon.
Blue Demon. Azul.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Dyna fe? O, cheerio nawr, allan. Nid fi gorfod o, na, ti gwasgu fi mewn yna.
Well.
Oh, sorry. Dyna ti gwasgu start. Oh.
Na, rwy'n dweud rhywbeth.
O, fi gorfod prynu ti. Oh, okay. So ti yw hi nawr.
Dwi'n mynd nôl i'r mansion.
Oh, okay, digon dig.
Oh, hwnna'n y tîm.
Here we are, a year. Meat house. Casa de Pollo Chicken House. Oh! Back, you fiend! Help! Help!
Not safe yet. They've locked all the towns something. This game is not good.
Aye, here they come. Emrys yn gofyn, unrhyw newid gennych chi Owain wedi dadlino o'r gwyliau?
Any bit?
Unrhyw newyddion. So, beth ti dadlino o'r gwyliau? Wel, oedd e'n fel break back oedd e, Europa Park. Dwi'n mynd
From the dead. Roll
Oh.
into the end.
Oh, roll. Right.
Oh,
O'n i'n mynd fan hyn? Keep rolling into the swipe.
I'll pretty much swipe right now.
Oh, okay. Oh. Well, recovered.
Oh, right. Yeah, kinda. Richmond Knoll. I mean, each time in Knoll
Yeah.
is amazing. Honestly, mae'n like... Rwy'n chwathu unrhyw park mewn y UK allan o dwi.
Okay.
Rwy'n honestly amazing.
I can thank you enough for what you've done here today, Luchador. Still, I worry for the safety of El Presidente and his family. Look for clues in Santa Lucita. I think some of the evil esqueletos were headed that way. Godspeed, Luchador. The world is in need of your help. Okay, Bantani.
Yeah, your park is absolutely amazing. I didn't mention I guess we can only
Probably them. Nah, gwell ni mynd then.
Ond ie. Os unrhyw yn meddwl am mynd.
Yeah.
Mae'n amazing.
So pa rhan o'r Almaen mae Europa Park?
Mae'n right lawr y gwaelod. Like,
Okay.
don't like dair-ish
Yeah.
of your Basel.
Okay.
Like, through my Basel, like that Lyon or Germany, France, Switzerland.
Okay.
Right, but up there, my tree lad, like Pinnacle.
Mm-hmm.
My, wedyn mae'r actual park yn Rust.
Yeah, okay.
So mae'n right agos i'r borders.
Oh, nice. Cool. What's up, man, bro? If you want the stuffs, because I got the stuffs. Oh, ti'n di prynu nhw. Okay, ni am gyda 195, so bydd rhaid ni meddwl am hyn a dod yn ôl fi'n credu. Right. Okay. Okay. Fi'n hoffi'r glas, classic.
Yeah, chicken to see it.
Oh, fi'n credu edrych ar y sfyn. Mae un o'r browsers OBS yn neud cylch dros ble mae coffi. Gweld e?
Oh yeah! Let's cael gwared o hwnna. Beth ydi hwnna?
Fi ddim yn gwybod. Fi gyda un o'r rows, webcam row. Yeah. Os ti'n disable... Yeah, bydd yn fine now. Sorry, mwyna pawb. Oedd mynd i'r ffordd mae mwydyn jyst yn mynd o gwmpas fi. Oh, God. Right. Fi'n abys. So gwell i ni just gael arian i gallu cael costumes a ability. Byddwn ni yn blaenoriaethu abilities dros costumes, ond... Yeah. Wastad yn cael y dadl yma gyda pobl ifanc. Fel, pam os dwi ddim yn rhaid unrhyw moment, pam byddwch chi byth yn blaenoriaethu skins dros fel powers neu abilities. Dwi'n gwybod fel achos mae'n cool, ond yeah, right. Oh, mae hwnna'n sweat skin. Yeah, okay. Right. Felly. Just yn sylio. Oh, na. Think about the start. Oh, right, I'll be gallu dod nôl. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, man. O, so mae'n rhoi... Ie, mae'n rhoi ti... Ie, da. Gwneud mae'n rhoi ti... Thing, mae'n rhoi ti cadw'n fyw wedyn. Yn ystod amser yna, neu mae'r ddoi yn gallu cael game over. O. Oh, pile driver. Oi. Right, na i trio cadw'n fyw then. Oh, so much for cadw'n fyw. Oh dear. Nice. Please. Oh god, sorry. Of course. Sorry, oh my god. Sorry. We just rerun Travel Damage in heaven. Oh god. Sorry, the email from fi wedi gweld y gêm yma, fi'n mynd dros sales a fi'n credu mae wedi bod ar y Game Pass Day ar y place. Fi'n gweld e ar things a fi wastad wedi meddwl, fi'n mynd i chwarae hwnna trwy'r amser and then finally now. Ie, mae'n odd style eitha brifed. Mae fe'n nodweddiad, mae'n siwtio'r kind of syniad Mecsicanaidd yna. Stop right here, luchador, order of Carlos. I warn you, take one more step, it will be your demise. You want some? Don't. Oh no! The final days were upon us. I suggest you return home and spend them with the ones you love. So stubborn this one, luchador. You saved the church in admirable and heroic feat, but your journey ends here. It pains me to answer and ceremoniously dispatch a warrior such as yourself. You can't say to warn you. Oh. Brilliant. Now we know. Oh no. Okay, bring him right me. Oh shh. Brilliant. Oh. Okay. There we go. Oh. Hello.
This might isn't sad.
No. Special. Right, not only then. Yeah, when I'm farther, I'll tweet up bits and do it. Gallu ti? Nes bod ni angen doi ni, os ti eisiau bod yn ddiog. Wel, di o'n gwybod. Na, ni ddim gyda unrhyw arian, so dwi'n trio prynu rhywbeth fan'na. Okay, lawr. Oh, spikes. Oh, shoot. Fi'n mynd I cael ti nôl na. On jump hold. Okay. Oh, tap to hop. Okay, sit. Oh, gwell ni siarad I fe.
Hey, dude! Use L3 or Y to roll through spikes. It's awesome sauce.
Okay. Oh, flip. Ti'n gallu neidio neud e? What? Sut ni...
Aye, L2.
L2? Dyna beth ni'n neud. Oh, L2, sorry. Doi. Sorry. Ti'n mynd lawr fan hyn? Na, dim eto. Dwi'n credu. ti? Dwi ddim yn credu ti gallu eto. Rhaid bod ti gyda fel ability dawn arbennig. O'n i wedi dal e lawr fan'na. I kid you not. Oh, what? Ni gallu mynd trwy hwnna, trwy gwasgu... Oh! Flippin' heck. Fi yn gwasgu R2, kid you not. L2. Oh! Okay. Yeah, but I am Mr. Oliver. It's just, yeah. Good job.
What? You crazy luchador?
Yeah.
Why you gotta go and break my tools or stuff? Ay, caramba, man. I've only got like 15 of those things left.
Alrighty then.
Punch first, ass squash.
Oh wow.
Behold the great Yao Chivo, Lord of all mangoes, warrior trainer extraordinaire, King of Awkward Fights. Tell me.
Oh.
Does she have a time? Does she like bad boys?
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Explain to me how you got here. Don't skimp out. Especially how you got that way.
Oh.
Last at the temple, El Presidente, daughter, and Jaguar.
Javier.
Jaguar.
Jaguar Javier.
Is it Jaguar?
Jaguar, yeah.
Jaguar Javier. I just have to ask your mother how to actually say it. They must train you in the art of it. It's actually just from completing magic power. You still that's not what we can do. Let's move and break red blocks. Careful, you do too much. You'll work on that move, kiddo. If it doesn't kill you, we'll continue the training next time.
Oh, man, I'm good. Yeah.
Still based in tutorial.
neud synnwyr. O, sut ni fod yn neud hwnna? Mewn un move. O, fi'n gwybod, roll. Good job. See, dyna thing, as long as mae un yn un, mae llall yn cael ei cario. So good. Fi'n cofio'r mechanic yna mewn Rayman Legends a Origins.
Yeah.
So, technically, os ddim ond angen i un o chi, you know, neu rhwng doi o chi gallu neud popeth. Ddim rhaid i pob person gallu neud popeth. Okay, press L. B. Oh, what? Oh, left. Good job.
Rambling wizard. Ar y ffordd, boys. Dyna Josh.
Oh, Josh.
Dyna Josh.
Ti'n hwyr bai.
Pryd oedd yn anfon y megas hwnna, jyst wedi gweld e. Ar y ffordd, boys. Ei sîn. Well, think when like other words, you seem like this right. Baby now it's like undead.
Need you, I went in. Special. Oh!
Use.
Oh god, I'm more goofy. You do it?
Yeah.
Gosh.
I thought you get fun of it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, gwell ni gael hwnna.
Oh, something.
Okay. So beth yw'r botwm I troi dy hun yn bobl?
Did you mash up on the floor? You can video. Mae'n un o Ryan.
So the top of the town ran off towards the temple of the west. Dia de los muertos, the dead, the truly risen, going to hide in the forest and sing there tonight. Oh yeah, welcome to Santa Lucita. You look like you can handle yourself, Luchador. People of the town could really use your help. Don't be shy, you're a hero. It's what you do. Right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did go all the way.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Any bit further, man? If further. Ah. Santa Lucita. Yeah. Yeah, man, cool. Original, like, icons and windows. Fed y ti mae'r pobl yn ni yn braco meters yn mynd like wow. Oh god.
It was horrible, man. The rest, yes, the Lactose came slowly through the outskirts and put building. They're heading for the temple of Rain up on the hill.
Bobl da, neu drw? Oh, mae rhywun... They should be wanted post for the chicken thief all of Town Fest.
Okay. Our band is spread all over Sunday.
Mini mission? Oh, wait. What are you looking at? In front of a banyo? Oh, funny. We laugh when I unleash my special move, the toilet flush. We'll see. Oh, combo. Chicken, walk into my dojo. Expect to take on Kalaka, but most of you will be mentioned. Let's start with your basic 3-hit combo. One joke. Think as I heard.
It's like combos. It's like of your buttons. And apart from the side games like Street Fighter.
Yeah.
Like,
Small combat. Yeah. Nah. T-Bat Nation. Done. I get to work. Hey, Bubble. Done. That's the next one.
and I'm like fingering it.
There we go. Sorry. Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Oh, so T gorfod neud e. Oh. Nice. Fi yn rwyst Africa. Ni'n gofio yn. Oh god. It's annoying. Rhaid dweud fi sut I ymladd. Rooster. Nope. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, sorry. So LAN X. Oh, LAN B. Okay, let's try again. So LAN X. Ah, yeah. Right. Boom, boom, boom. Sugar. LAN X. LAN XX. XXX! Fi'n meddwl am flipping PS controller. Ugh. LAN Aish! Right. LAN X. Oh, so LAN A. LAN. Flipping heck, mae'n tricky do it. Oh, ti gael go achos fi'n mynd na ti. Love, seriously? Huh? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
LAN A. Oh, I see. Gear running go. Right. So, good one, Hey! Woo! Beth yn mynd I ddefnyddio hwnna eto.
Wasn't that easy?
Oh god. Birds flying around the room. How dare you mock my inability to fly? After all I've done for you, get out of my sight. Yeah. Don't worry about him, talk about a drama queen. Looks like you're ready to face the challenges ahead. I like this guy. Head temple. Dark ceremony. Better get going if you plan to stop them. Okay, get him out.
Shut up.
I know. Just clown pathetic boring. I don't worry about that.
Unfortunately, day like today, you get to meet the great sinner of love. Greetings, good tonight. So, when I enter the ring, you'll see nothing but magic.
Oh god.
I know that I'm the local water source. I own the local water source. I will be soon.
Come on. What's the dog?
I'm just trying to. Super Lucha Force.
Tequila Bros.
Viva!
Busted Bill! Oh, instead of Wreck-It Ralph. Oh god. Oh, didn't he get up? No, he didn't get up, didn't he? No, they met him.
You met him in before.
Oh, okay. I'm okay with Just Wait for him. Uppercut, yeah. There you go. Hey.
Whoa.
Okay. Bismillah. How can that be? Oh.
Come from refreshments.
From the text, say.
Yeah.
Do them in like essential, right? Laura R.
Oh.
Damn.
Well, shit. Instantly methylated.
Aha! Oh, Gomodo.
They were living in forest.
I'm sure because look at us mini gadely needing or something like that. Oh, falle yn y deilad yna? Aha, that's good.
Ooh.
Oh.
What was announced out against the second of hospital situations? What was the name of in the back?
Yeah. Sabi'n sy'n gwneud digon I actually prynu na?
Health chunk. In the heart chunk.
Mwy o beth. Oh.
Das boot!
Ti'n werth e? Oh, amazing.
Whoa! I don't have only green in the business special. YnChwarae. Insane. They find some cheese.
Oh my god.
They find beans. I will find the perfect cheese. The tortillas for the last thing.
Open hand?
Can I play any music?
Oh, beth sy'n mynd lawr fan hyn? Siwr mae rhywbeth lawr fan hyn, siwr. Beans from the chef, sure, take them. Plenty more where that came from. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, boom. Okay. Na hwnna oedd y person ni wedi siarad gyda'n barod fi.
What? You just kept saying shower and you say shit.
Good bod ti wedi sylwi ar boen, achos o'n i'n dechrau mynd a fed up siarad gyda pawb, ond obviously ti gorfod, otherwise... Nawr cofio ble oedd y...
Hanging tortillas.
Right, okay. Pwy oedd gyda'r tortillas? Man. Forest? Na, fi o pinatas? Dim byd.
Ein review boys yn cael os bod
Dweud wrthyn ni, please. Damn. Oh, beth am menu yma? Ti di siarad i hi? Oh, okay, fine. Oh, sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh god, sorry. It's you. Bod yn fwy o falas. Okay, no, dod lan na.
No, it's in the pasta.
Oh, you.
Ah, Heddiw!
Yay! So, ble oedd y siop nawr? Ti arwain fi gyda'r bubble. Hey! Go on. Okay. Pwy sy'n gwerth chili? Chile? Pretty here. Siesta. Yeah. That's because we're... Nee, I'm feeling ready. Chimmy. Oh, falle. Sorry. No, na, ddim eisiau neud combo bombos. Three just combos, yeah, but Sherry must you.
Oh!
Oh my god, pam yn neud hwnna? There you go. Ta-da. Pwy sy'n gyda...
Chili?
Na, fi ddim yn credu dim o rain. Mae'r... O, falle hi?
Oh, ble ni'n cael yn chili?
Ti'n trio fe? Na, bydd e lawr fan hyn. Un o'r pobl yn bod. Dim o'na. E? Ni'n mynd rhy bell am. Rhaid bod e dal yn y lle yma. Be nawr?
Mae'n lot sy'n o'n ability.
O na, so beth yw'r ability?
Walk through the dead.
O'n ni gyda hwnna, ydyn ni? O na.
It's mynd i'r chwith, focus on
Okay. Casa crashes yn lle. Castle crashes.
temple. That's right, little chicken. I'm just an inanimate object. A little bit closer. Not born on the ground, but looks yummy. Oi! You scared him off. What are you looking at? Sorry, it wasn't such a mean old mech cat. I used to have my own mech brothers. They would have spread across the world. If you find any of them, you can teleport you back to me.
You did.
Yeah.
Gosh, yeah. Then actually, I know this temple.
So, who knows fast travel?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold up.
Creatures have been appearing out of thin air, and I swear I thought this was the world of the dead. I barely made it out alive. Also, just as I was leaving the temple suit itself, I don't know how you got me getting into it anyway.
Oh. Okay.
Anything before now.
You are so down. Oh, Warthol. Hey. Fun gweithio. Oh. Josh. I mean, you know what?
What do we have here? Alright, really cool. No Josh, be on me.
Mae'r art style yn eitha nice. Hey, it's a mawar. Dwi ddim actually. Debyg, I suppose. Oh, symud draw wan. Cwtch draw wan. Neu, na. There we go, ni gyd mewn. Perffaith. Ni gyda help. No, down.
Problems out.
Except for Flame Face and that girl preparing for his ceremony. Instead of chasing after them, you and I can have a bit of fun.
Hey!
Oh, go on. Esbonio Josh. Dear Darren. I was a boy.
Literally, yeah.
Bang.
Anybody cael ei gewn ni efo'r match? Just check.
Ffrindiau efo'r ideal penis.
Yeah.
A wedyn undead Rosa. Big scan.
As I do.
Yeah, true. I'm saying pesky and dead.
Bydd mae'n ar y typical.
Lol no. Right, ni'n mewn.
Yeah.
Mynd i'w dead.
Dead will dead.
Wedi mynd kind of like...
Men, actually.
Yeah. Law.
Healing room.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Right, go on. There we go. Yeah, the tea yw'r bobl na. Fi'n like, pwynio ti lawr. Dy'r ping.
I got this.
Wait, goblin. Oh, wow. Oh! Man, cool, bro.
Ni mae
Right.
ti yn fel Mysterio.
I do.
Rey Mysterio. Frostmourne.
Yeah.
Regina Garden. Regina Mexican.
So ti angen neidio wedyn fi. A mae'n gadael ti neidio gyfer. Yeah. Mynd dros y thing yna. Weithio, os mae un person yn pasio fe. Sorry. Go on, so, press A a wedyn upload and come B. And like up and B. There you go, one is special. Lana ba. Lana. Oh, so ni'n switcho trwy'r doi peth I Chwarae. Hello. Ni just gadael un person neud e.
Chwarae.
Yeah.
Over hyn.
Mae'n
Mae'n
fel...
kind of confusing with that. Like mae'r drysau.
Oh, boys fel.
Like the dead.
Double nerd. Nah, we can see that. No, let's. Oh. Got him. Now we need to concentrate. Oh yeah. No, why? Is it there we think? Oh yeah. Oh, vision on. Yay! Oh, filmen. Bydd e mor bran. Oh. Ni'n his S-I Uncharted. Oh, god. Yeah. Bydd e ddim yn hoffi'r... Yeah. Oh. Actually, yeah. Just gwylio fe. Bydd e fel gwylio speedrun yn gynted. Justin.
Chwarae gêm, ie.
Mae fel... Dwi'n gael online neu rhywun yn gallu trio logo mewn trio curo Justin.
Right. Ydy ni'n gallu rhoi nickname? Yes, dwi'n gyfer.
Spiky mines. Right.
Yeah, L2.
Right, where?
Yeah, L2.
Wel, dwi'n bubble.
Neu ti'n hwn bubble, ond y ffordd da, just... Cheese up on trade, neu... Oh? Slap o fe yn y gwyn, Mae'n ffordd
Ti'n iawn?
Ti'n iawn? O, left da. Fi'n colli hyn.
Dwi'n iawn?
A mo hi. Y gweithio ffordd wefo, bet... Oh, this guy.
Mae'n y god.
Holy guacamole, dude! Why don't you bring the
Dwi wedi cael hyn trwy'r nos. O,
down?
Un o'r ddim... No, ddim di America, ond... America... Yeah.
What?
I don't know. I think yn Gymraeg, right?
not enough words.
No
magic.
All you have to do... No. Oh well, time to teach them new moves. You just got time with it.
That makes sense.
Pex. Call this bad boy the goat jump.
Oh, hell yeah.
You can breathe when you hit the wall, the goat jump. Friend told me to call this sweet move a wall jump, but that didn't feel good enough.
Dwi'n teimlo fel... Yeah. Poor boy.
Go jump! Nice. Oh. Clip it.
With them a bit. Sorry.
No, I can't.
That's some cool.
But then I'm pointless.
Oh shit, my grey when he was.
I'll need a mangin anyway. Oh. Dim ffordd yma dde. Paid neud yr un llaeth, achos it's like circle neu... Yeah. Neu rhywbeth. Dyma Iesu.
Great.
Ti'n beth, mae'n ein gofyn ei shift am saith, that's like, what's the issue?
Yeah, dwi'n down am that. Dwi'n fine fel now, ydy?
Please dangos fi.
Na fi'n gwybod beth i'n neud. Boom. Oh. Boom.
Fel hyn.
Fel hyn. O na, ffordd yma. Fi'n iawn. Ti'n iawn? Oh, baby.
Ah, yeah, it's fair.
Yeah, boys.
Ti'n iawn? Fi'n iawn, ti'n iawn. Oh. Oh, okay, fine. Oh.
You want the stuffs? Of course I got the stuffs.
Oh, chicken mark.
Aww. Cosmetics, like.
Oh, ruin. Bots. D-bots. Wait, fi'n hoffi wall jumps. Neu goat jumps, fel fel yna. Oh, Jesus.
Ah! Oh, there, boys.
Oh, I love.
Oh wait, right now.
La 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 la.
What are you putting on me, eh? Come on. Ah, right, bit.
What are you No. That's great. Got it.
We haven't been looking at our ability. Yeah, wait, like, see, gain our ability.
Oh, bit of it, Jeffy.
No, ddim eto.
Don't call it ability.
I know mae'n lot o hynny'n digwydd yn y gêm yma. Sorry.
Come on, boys. Start around, sorry.
Oh!
Kyle program.
Oh, falle? Oh. Right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, shit. Oh, flip. Oh, Ron.
Oh!
Nah. Oh, skills.
Nah,
Poor of me.
We're the bubble! We're either insane or not.
Mr. Bubbly.
Wait, the mean or to eat?
Bubble bottle.
The bubble's gonna trigger all the hit, the bubble will trigger.
Right,
Just bwrw fi lan fyna.
nah.
Try many bubbles!
Okay, here we go. Dod!
Here now.
Right. Oh, boo. Oh, sugar, sorry.
More, yeah.
Oh, you did it. Oh!
Nah.
Oh, nice one.
Ledge.
Okay.
You can actually manipulate the
Ponyo.
menu. Just walk away.
Walk away, boy. Walk away. Point your bit. Come on. Yay. Nah, dim eto.
When he just married one.
Damn boy. Oi! Stop putting it back. Oh!
Sorry about that.
Oh, why? Why? Yeah. O'n i dal like gyda Emrys meddwl bod Barry's actually. Something else, Jody. Oh, my Barry's.
Spam bot. Wanna spam bot?
Yeah, well, I see hwnna.
I think they didn't do it in a bit.
Nes i ddweud... O, ni di dweud e?
Yeah, dude.
O, ti'n canolbwyntio ar move ers teso? Pwy ti'n siarad?
Mae'n edrych fel o'n...
Mae yn! Begin i barm.
Yeah, dim problem.
Ie, fi'n gwybod. Ie, ti'n gobeithio fynd i bron
Yeah,
like
like,
gorffen
yeah.
erbyn hyn?
Yeah, right.
Please! O, ddim baddies, actually. O, ddyn nhw'n good. Wy? Sorry. Bam! Orale! It's like, come on. Barrow? Kinyo?
Dwi'n edrych ar Owain.
Oh, mae rhaid fi cadw'n fyw nawr, otherwise...
Oh, we're going to Skyline.
Carry
Carry
Carry me.
Carry tea? Carry tea? Carry tea?
Carry.
Carry. It says love you.
Carry.
Come on. Carry on it. Carry on. Yes, you carry me. I love you. Love me. Love me, baby. Right, here we go. Pumpkin. Oh! Mae fe mawr. Na, mae hwnna'n loincloth o rhywbeth. Not true. Go.
Hey.
Go. Go. Gormod o wybodaeth.
Acronyms Cymraeg o there.
Boom shakalaka.
Stop breaking my stuff. Serious.
Mae wedi troi'n India.
Whatever, time to teach the next headband. It's easy cheesy. Press P while standing still to send us a sky high. Okay.
The transition will be gold.
Great. Yeah, mate. A big going.
Now get me a tiny bullet. Oh, my issue
Mecsicanaidd rhywbeth.
Yeah.
Mae'r.
Oh, we got
Nice. Good.
Costume? You didn't go. Check it.
Oh, like, seriously, there was paper all the glass.
Yeah. Let me put.
And they put it soon.
Falling.
Just walk away. Oh, nah.
Yeah.
Don't you dare.
Grind on him.
Do the McGann block. Oh, God. Here we go. Vinny, what they? Oh, ni ddim di gyda'r ability yna, ond ni? Ni meddwl. Ooh, headbutt. Headbutt. Here we go. Smash.
Green bar.
Oh, teamwork. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, no.
Ready now.
Yung moving in. Oh, ni di neud hon.
If you copy your map.
Happy. Right, stop it. Teasy nigga.
Fi'n a newbie estyn.
Whoa. Whoa, nawr, bydd yn gwylio hon a bydd yma. Actually, bydd
Criw.
yn gwylio hon. Mae'n rhaid cool i gwylio. No. Mae'n, bydd y... Uh-oh. Siarad gyda pobl. Okay. Mae'n... Wel, Nethon ni gael y trafodaeth am captain, dyn dwi ddim credu bod wedi cael ddim credu, mae hwnna'n fel extra actors mewn captain, bydd hwnna fel level extreme. But, yeah, we've got Minecraft goblins. Oh yeah, Aquamas. Oh yeah. Go on, oh, just cadw fyw. Really? Mae'n mynd i... Oh, dal, come on. Neb I newid.
Stuck over there, no!
Okay, mae'n syniad da, actually. Cadw ni gyd o'r gym. Just aros. Dwi'n aros. Newid hynna, yeah, please. Oh! Ti'n fan y city guy.
Back in.
Sorry, man.
Down in.
Oh! SpongeBob. Oh, ti'n meddwl person yma hwnna. No! Yeah! Oh, ni angen rhan I fe.
Yes, Dave, please!
Yeah, dewch nhw, yes,
Kind of like,
Beth yw wedi alog?
Ni wedi cael y dyforydd yma. Ni wedi cael y sgwrs yma gyda'r kids. unrhyw beth sydd ddim actually'n helpu chi abilities wise, pam byddai chi...
Ti'n cael mwy help?
Dwi angen edrych yn
Ie, dyna oedd y resymeg, dyna beth ni'n dweud, edrych yn cool. Go on then,
Whoa,
help.
Dad. Whoa.
Whoa.
Dwi angen
Suplex?
edrych.
Go on then.
Mwy help, ie, mwy help.
Yeah.
Ti'n cael mwy help.
O, chunk arall?
Chunk o fi?
Done.
Costumes? Dillad? Check a dillad? Skin fine. Ice fish?
Oh, Hier.
Fideo?
O, paid ti wedi no! Ddim logic i wneud hwnna. There you go. Oi, goblin.
Eto.
Switcher? Yeah. Mark on the left.
OP?
Switchy.
Brava?
Oh, boys. Right, we have fight bar right here, right? We have one black, boys. Flip. Oh.
Tight marrow my big
Lan?
Lan, cuddio.
Fideo?
Nes bod e'n nôl.
Esposito?
Esposito.
Nerd! Beth o combo's ar un, boys?
Nerdy.
Beth yw y Konami code ar un, boys? Wel, mi'n rhaid beth, Konami code. Lan, law, lan. Beth, chwyd, beth. Mae Owain. Fi'n gwybod pwy sy'n...
Lawr.
Fe nath Craig hwnna. Go on, bwrw fi, please.
Cosmetics? Have to check. Fi'n mynd?
Bwrw fi.
Harry?
A na ni mynd lan.
Lan?
Eba. End
Oh.
time.
Ti di marw? Sut beth ti di marw?
Oh, shit, go. Nice. Ni'n dechrau ennill nawr. O, un arall.
Beth? Ie, weird.
Achos mae fel Rayman
Ie,
feature, ie.
Ond
Mae yn, ie.
Ddim yn fel intuitive. Ble oedd hi?
More like discombobulate.
Ie, disoriented.
Discombobulate.
Just probably we've got like a boom. Oh, tangled. Sorry.
Oh, noise. Oh, Jesus. Right, ni angen meddwl am hwn. What the hell?
Right,
Right. Wait a minute.
right. Mynd lawr fan hyn. Right. Un person.
Go on.
Right. Right. Ready.
Yeah!
Positive check.
Wins a win.
No. Ddim am beth. Dim chance. Dim chance. Dyna beth dwi'n cael.
More like
Dwi'n yma?
Oh, here we go.
Right.
Slide o lawr.
Right. Fel hwnna. Slide o lawr i fan hyn. Right. Right in, yeah. Right. On. Perfect. Lawr. Fan hyn. Neidio.
Sorry, I'm stretching. Fi'n gwybod sut i'n neud e ddo.
Mor grippy.
Mae'n grippy.
Mae'n grippy ydi e.
Super grippy.
Coarse. Very coarse. Spider-Man.
Nice. Trappist. Wait, they've hit on that. Okay.
Fan hyn.
Smashy. Glasgow kiss. Yeah, mae'n ffordd o'n lafo. Rhaid i ti mae'r...
Oh!
Fy mlaid. My life!
Dwi wedi gwneud y joke. Sorry, troi y stream.
Sorry. Beth dal yn fan?
Mae'n un da, ie. Pam di... You're ruining the cutscene.
Yo, you haven't seen an IGB.
My immersion!
He's multicolored.
He's long.
Looks like a fish mixed with a cat snake.
Sign me up.
He's about the size of a house.
Sounds tasty.
Wow, are you hiding him? We should every second I look is more so I can collect spells along with that sacrificial trout. Right. Yeah, my definitely got right.
So
Come. So you have to see that legend. Now I have to go find that alebrije. Ooh, next time, hip. Next time we meet, maybe we can truly dangle.
it's kind of like
Yeah.
stereotyping.
Yeah, well, accurate. Yeah, exactly. Flip a stereotypical door or weird. Come on now. Ti'n gweld y thing yna? Dyma nhw gyda fel rhyw, like, young person. And dweud, oh my god, I saw this out, rhywun yn gwisgo.
Oh yeah.
Thing. A wedyn nhw'n gofyn rhywun o Mexico and you're like, you look very good!
Yeah.
And you go, yeah.
Yeah.
Very, very smart.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, dyna fe.
Ti'n cael 2 eiliad?
Sorry.
Wyt ti'n gallu sylwi with 2 eiliad?
Sorry,
Go on, bro.
ddim bod yn perffaith. Sorry. O, ddim hi eto. Fi ddim yn siarad i hi eto. There we go. Dyna fe. Ddim yn bywyd go iawn. Just cael wireless controller. Skip. Oh my god, we got on really funny. Just to be there. Oh, nice. Oh, hwnna ddo. Just like, leaders.
Mae fel hyn.
Thing right of life. Okay.
Dwi'n gweld? Dwi'n dod? Dwi'n gyharfod? Greed. See? Dwi'n gonna help me.
Nicotine over. Mr. Chest. Chest. Yeah, sabotage your bank account. What did you know? Oh, sorry. Oh, Calon nu. Oh, you're right back.
I love bloody chest.
mynd lan, a wedyn just...
Alright. Oedd y delay yna, faint mor sticky mae'r wal. Oh my god. Oh, here we go.
Oh, great. That's annoying, do it?
Rwy'n edrych ar ti!
Na! Team T a 3B. Right? Fi'n yr un fi'n gallu gweld yn y rôl. Wel, mae'n anodd, ie.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. No.
Ah!
Oh, no.
Oh yeah. Bubble it then, bubble it then.
How did you die? How did you die?
Yes! No! I was just a bit danger lan fyna! Oh my god.
Sorry, man.
O, fi methu neud y super na, fi gael awr, time down. Oh yeah, o'r ochr y wal, cofio. Right, here we go. Don't now.
How many?
Yeah, throw now, good job. Right, here we go.
Go team.
I say jizz, I don't. Jizz. Jeez, so they're bored. Have they done that first? Oh, it's this.
Oh, it's
No.
What?
Nah, okay, roll.
Bro.
Oh, nah.
Rwy'n literally just need...
Oh, sut fi'n neud y pow... Sut fi'n troi fy hun yn... Oh, there we go. Rwy'n fi. Rhan y gweithio.
Very John.
Zing! Zing!
And
Dim cost.
If we were there right now, we'd be there when you didn't think of them.
Nice.
oh, wait.
There we go. Oh! Oh! Ah, dyma ni hi.
Mae'n gormod low.
Yeah, mae'n a low.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Red egg, red egg, red egg. Sugar.
Oh, what?
Right, mate. Cal low, please. Go low, please.
Oh, what? Hey, man, come on.
Oh. Headbutt. Just across me. Just a B, sorry, it's just B, just B. Just B, better in. Even room, better. They're all chests. Probably to keep roll your hair, very good. Yeah.
Everybody, what? Come on, boy. Ready, ready. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Woo.
Oh, si fe pwni o fe.
Oh, dwi'n hyn yn deio.
Saros yn byw o'n pen reilio. Pen
Jump.
reilio. Hei, fine. Ti'n neud yn dda fan nhw.
Aneurysm? Aneurysm down to it. Loud, 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 loud. No! No! Rigged?
Bugger! Bugger!
Bugger!
Bugger!
Right, here we go.
Jumpy! Jumpy! Jumpo! Nido! Nido! Right, Aros. Aros. Ah!
Oh, go Bowser.
Eddie. Eddie.
Original, like.
Dyma ni. No, okay, dim way. Sorry.
Put you up into lava castle.
Oh.
Main fit.
Lava castle with my boyfriend Galacta.
Pop second. Fet moira.
Mwy gra. Mae'n mynd yn fwy gra. Beth yw hwnna?
Square up.
Sgwario lan i ti.
Sgwario. Sgwario lan. Mae'n fel band.
Sgwario lan.
Dyma'r single ni.
And now
Sgwario
they're
lan.
gonna kill this pet out.
Whoa.
That makes sense.
You're instead of we have a trout to catch. Oh, dim. Double
Pam-
entendre.
beth
Man
yw-
to win
beth-
over.
Beth yw lo efo tref?
Oh, sure. Mae'n carry trout. Na,
Mae'n wedi dweud e, like...
yeah, mae wedi dweud e.
Un o'r ddau waith.
Oh, good job.
Dwi'n dod? Dwi'n dod? Come on.
Oh.
Dod fi nôl i checo.
Oh, here we go.
Really marrow. Come on, bud.
Off.
Oh, green.
How many things you doing Roy off?
Right to be bored.
Couldn't circle in all right.
Oi. Oh yeah. I see you eyeballing me. You must think it's pretty sweet. You found a second hallmark head.
Close, mate.
That's slap. Gonna get back to town faster than you can blink. Believe it.
You're going well.
Would you like to take a trip? Maybe next time, bud. See you later. Here we go.
Map. Oh, wow. Now
Fast traveling.
Now we're doing it.
You're the guy here.
Ready?
Oh, cheese. Santa Maria.
We don't?
Oh. Oh. Dim byd am yna.
Sierra.
Sierra. There we go. Tonight. Yeah.
Come on. Low? That low.
Trust me. God, man. Ni di treulio fel hanner awr jyst siarad I bawb. No, please paid. Please paid. Chili. Ni angen ffeindio chili.
El Diablo.
Beth os ni'n trio mynd right here?
With a three flower, right flower.
Low.
Right flower.
Right now.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yan ang fella logo na.
Copyright.
On.
Nice.
Nid lang mewn gyda.
You sure? Beth oedd yn y diwedd y main?
Chicken case,
Alright,
man.
fine.
Come on. Made the chicken case. Oh, my logo na yun. Great.
Yeah.
Check cotton.
Wait!
What's going on?
Oh. I didn't trip. What are you doing? He just
All the way in, just to try to
Unlock them.
Oh my god, this is a go. Alright, alright, did you hear that?
Keep up, bud.
Right, you need it.
Shut up, man.
Right. Oh, I love end boss battle pan ti'n cwrdd â pob un
Yeah.
so far. Yeah. Legal.
Mario great. Hobby, original one.
was it?
Dwi'n gweld un gan.
Oh, okay. Dwi gyda capital
Then when he got
Cofio beth yna.
Kevin will try.
Yeah. With the poison.
Read the movie and terrible, probably.
Ni'n
But
mynd lan lan eto.
Oh.
Can you marry me nôl lan eto?
Oh no! Team base. Owain, gyda hwnna. And Missy gael
oh yeah,
yeah, nawr ti'n dweud e.
right. Yeah. We're gonna end topic important. Right.
Minecraft and fries, please. Ti'n gwybod, nes i'n gael 20 nugget box. Nes i ddim roi unrhyw beth i wneud yma. Wel,
Complete the notch.
na, i Ronald.
Right, don't be no. Yeah, sorry. We're married now.
Oi, Mr. Koch. Oh, nath e smasho fi. Ti'n just aros yn byw yma chi? Dodjo, neud rolls. Gyda hwnna, ie, just rollio pob man. Nhw'n ddim yn gallu just rolling.
Back in the game, rolling.
Come on. Dyna'r trick yw cadw pawb yn oh, Minecraft Goblin. Wow. I know. Minecraft!
Dodge! Put your eye. Wait. Alright. No. Right. Okay.
No. So dyna'r trick, just
Yeah.
rolio.
I don't know me. Dodge? Morgan, dod yma?
Nadwch yn cynllun, guys. Fi ddim eisiau mynd nôl i'r bloody pyramid yma neu oh, green! Oh, a boss battle. Oi, bugger. Ah, roll it, just roll it, please. Just rolio am deg eiliad. Just rolio. Paid bod yn cocky. Rolio. No, rolio mewn I fi pan ni'n mynd. Good job. Right.
Oh my god, right?
Oh, mor funny, so hwnna ddim actually
No.
Come on, boys. Oh, beth ma fe eisiau.
Be out of the way, we're gonna eat enemies.
Right. Yay! Hooray. Mwy calon. Hip hip. Hooray.
Yeah. Hip, hooray.
There it is. Oh, ni ddim eisiau mynd am hwnna. No. Right. Oh, beth? Mynd yn ynddi? O, dim yn gael yma.
Ni'n gallu gweld y... Flint.
Having the follow. Go back to
Polo?
the original
Pollo.
Pollo. En
Chicken.
español, por favor.
Cabana de pollo.
Pollo, le mollo.
Right. Sure? Agorma.
God.
Ble ni'n mynd?
Dwi ddim yn trwy.
Mynd I dde? Right, agorma.
Oh god, lawr.
Pawb marw?
Ni ddim yn cael.
No, not doing that, but... No, just marw. Mae'n iawn.
Okay, fine. I gyd marw. Bydd e'n mynd yn ôl. O ie, ni'n gallu. Just marw.
He's in running all
Sorry, pawb. Goodman's charity shop, £2. £2, man.
Charity shop. Del Moylan.
£2. Oh! Hey!
Whoa!
Oh, dyma lle ni'n bod then.
Ni angen lot o ability.
Oh, Willie.
Newid a Will. Pwy Will? Pan wedi newid? Right. Ble ni'n mynd? No problem. Just fast travel. Os ni ddim angen neud e. Cerdded? No. Mae o'n ar carrot
yna. Oh,
right.
Ni angen edrych am clues.
Mae'n gael clue? Mae'n gael
Dim clem dy fe.
quest.
Mini hat.
What you wanted?
Teddy Stackles?
Jaguar?
Barabol.
I know you get money your time.
Oh, Thai.
Kai?
Go.
Owain glue of lemon.
Come on now.
Mine forever.
No. Ni ddim gyda'r glas.
Sad.
Epic sad.
Oh, red book. Oh, frick. Oh, red book. Ooh, I like those.
Oh, ni ddim mine.
Look at that. Right. Fast travel now.
Oh, no fod yn Super Mario Brothers yn dau yna. Ti di gweld?
Yeah, pretty well. Good. Aaron, Dylan P. Oh, man. Grac mewn Cymraeg?
Grac? Oh, ni
tequila. Oh, no. Right, basic ability. If you unlock our ability for Chwarae, neu trwy
Siarad weithiau.
siarad I pobl.
Oh, here we go.
Bar wedi agor.
Yay. Barky. Barky.
Diolch,
How
dude.
does anybody get a drink around here? Boy, have you brought my tequila? What is this? Some kind of joke?
Really marrow.
Another luchador looking to be burned like the awful huevos rancheros that pass for food around here. Bartender! Alright, this freaking headache prohibition sucked back the first time I was alive. I'd have stayed dead if I knew this was all the present I had to offer. Supposed to be running away by this point. What do you want from me anyways? You must know I was cursed by the devil to have my head eternally engulfed in flames. Too much. I don't burn any people alive in my last life will carry his favor in death. Apparently he has a complex about being the one to dole out the suffering.
So
Or at
bored.
least- Alright, let's just skip it.
My cow gun.
Yeah, exactly. Come
Come
on, no more bullets. See?
My lord.
Yeah. Lorna. But fate has severed you left your door, but I sue you directly at handmaid to wish otherwise. Here, buy yourself a drink. You should relax when you're in town. I promise there's nothing of interest going on in the desert. Oh. I said right now. Right, here we go.
Yay.
Headbutt. Bang. Smash. Smash. Smash.
Welcome. Welcome.
Continue about moving on South Park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What's going on? My really bloody headache.
Alright. Oh, teach me lawr gynta I check o beth sy'n lawr fyna?
Ti'n gallu just
Nid...
Costume?
Mwy help.
Ie, hynna. I enll yn gay.
Wait, whoa.
Ti'n methu cropio. Ti'n methu
Ti angen cael like a...
Bach.
Like, an ability.
Mini. Chicken wings.
Chicken wings!
Nice.
Come on.
Come on, Ed.
Oh, that should be...
Right, no. There ni.
Wait, I'm sorry, I see really fire game in Kingdom.
Oh, actually, I need different higher.
Right,
Because I need to go testers.
basically taste test.
Amazing.
Alright.
What's he done?
That's food. That's food, alright.
Oh, I hope you never said this. Let's go to the canal. Ni angen mynd i'r canal nawr, boys.
Dwi'n lawr fyna?
Na, Sorry.
Bydd un o'r
Alright. Forest. Ni eisiau mynd i forest? Ni bod i'r forest yn mwyr.
50 or 90 days.
Ni angen mynd i'r canal. Go up. Ti'n methu mynd ar y map ar...
Ti angen siarad i'r pen. Pen stone.
Le mae hwnna?
Wel, i edrych am ar map.
Oh, yeah.
Start to roll.
There we go.
Objective, find your way through the canal into the desert.
Dyma'r canal. Oh,
But desert is
desierto.
okay.
Caliente.
From desert to...
Maybe next time, bud. See you later. Here we go. Right. Oh, smash it. Wait.
Oh, wait.
Ti'n dweud desert?
Yeah, you're there or... Bit ffordd angor.
Fi di dechrau mynd fan hyn, and you said that was the wrong way.
Wyt ti'n dechrau mynd lan?
O'n i ddim! Hernando. Ti'n mynd I Hernando?
Yeah.
O'n I wedi bod yn Hernando, wedyn ni.
Yeah. Ond bach, it's me.
Going down your...
Yn ddim yn y ffordd.
Oh, right, sorry.
Creo.
Hi, Creo. Wait, alright, just direct
Sa'n mynd lan.
Creo.
Alright, hi, Creo.
Alright, Creo fi.
Mynd lan.
O, fi'n cofio nawr. O, fi'n cofio ble ni'n mynd. Desert.
Desert.
Oh, man. You should have said.
Desert.
You're there.
Swn I fel lemon grab. Adventure time.
Maybe we'll need now.
10 years in the dungeon!
Don't worry, if I find any treasure, you'll be the first one. Mae ddim yn gael ni mynd fan'na ddo. Mynd sagod, ie.
Soft lock.
Soft mod. Be ni eisiau neud am, boys?
Uh-oh.
Oedd rhywun wedi dweud wrth ni rhywbeth. So...
Oes rhywun wedi dweud wrth ni rhywbeth?
Soil. Thanks. Fi bod yn meddwl am o'n swell. Forest! Beth os ni'n trio mynd i'r forest?
Yeah, go on.
I mean...
Yeah, go on, no one
Run off
This
this
way.
way.
Oh? Oh?
Loading screen, eh?
Forest del Chivo, is that?
Mae fel y Cymraeg accent ever.
Yeah. Oh man.
Chivo, is it? Right, let's go back. For that.
Wait,
Yeah, well. Oh, right, so yeah, man. Oh, deal with it. Oh, well.
here we go. Right,
Next.
put hyn yn good.
Lucha, though. Oh, bloody good. Ah, but it went.
Oh yeah. Step on through my secret trainatorium. It hasn't been used in years. You might have to rest some spiders. Oh wow. Spiders. Spiders. There you go.
Grow up.
Sorry. Grow up. A goat man. Mynd ar fy wick.
Really?
Yeah, my shower.
Come on.
Shower, man. Shower.
Intenso.
It's okay, come on.
See that empty meter? Pencil.
Oh, my God. Ecuador! My Mel power up. Cow Mel.
Oh, wait, it's one pull now. Cyan.
Oh, sugar. Go back. Oh, ti'n gwybod gyda mewn, i ti? Get a glass. Protection young, eh? Yeah,
Plenty of ways to go
Dau
around.
mwy na fi.
Plenty of ways there, boy.
Oh,
Are we ready to miss our instructions? Yeah.
Okay,
Maen nhw mor nice,
Did
dwi'n
you ask
fframe
me
nhw.
halfway?
Intenso!
Okay.
Classic.
Philippines like strangle.
Here we go, intenso move.
Whoa.
Beth yw actually
Did you
neud?
Chwarae a game to go
Na, ddim y game.
the game great
Yeah.
within our PS2 di angen like
Really mae dymu'r game.
di angen fel intimidated
No way.
I've seen like stranglers di angen gyfio
Oh, there.
Graphic.
Nice.
Or the hour
Enw start bit. Well, here's more about O, ni'n gallu dod mynd i'r bit yma, os mae'n ei sylwyr bit. Mynd drwy.
Dwi'n mewn, fi ddim yn gweld. O, dwi angen. Mawr.
Gobeithio mae hwn yn mynd i neud rhywbeth.
O! Ti'n mynd drwy'r cosmetic. Right, I'm gallu ffôn criw.
Ni'n gyda silvers.
Ti'n glas, fi?
Ti ddim yn gad. So, walk
Ie,
away.
fi'n gallu gweld. Ie.
Mae'n rhaid i gwyd pobl weithio. Oh, flip! Oh!
Take us outside.
Björn! Sorry. Oh! Björn, no, look.
Get on. Oh, they don't fucking in.
Blair man. Right.
Let me get a hold right now. You guys should just skip on.
Pop. Right, lamp
Infinity need. Froggy.
Like, come on.
Hate me on.
Get over here. How many?
There we go. Oh! Oh my god! Right, here we go. Oh! There we go, sorry. Sorry, skill issues again, right?
Ni gallu? No.
No, ddim eto, ddim
Mae'n Guacamelee.
O, beth gallu mynd sort
Lan i lawr.
Ble'r map pan ti Wow. Good, yeah. See you later.
Oh! Think I'm in Lan around, didn't he?
On the road?
Louder, Hey, Lan.
Which way? Coins like it.
Right, wait a sec. Hey! Here we go.
What?
Shush. Oh, flip!
Control the team.
Oh!
Let him cook.
Let him cook now. Oh my god!
How is it? Pam! Pam! Dim yn gweithio.
Dim yn gwybod. Oh, sugar. Alright. Thanks.
Okay.
Oh.
Got it.
Got it.
Robbie kid in the bed.
O'n i'n meddwl o'n i'n ti. Sorry, man.
You pink?
Oh my god.
Oh, better ability there.
Stamina check.
Extra bit.
Yeah. Stamina.
Pile driver.
Oh, come on, let's get pile driver. Come on, we done on fun.
Alright,
L1.
grapple.
That's good. Just shit.
She
That's
just
good
pile
pile
driver.
driver. Sneaky little pile driver. Go on then.
What do you reckon?
Go on then.
Yeah.
Yeah. You need a friend of me. Go on.
Basically, where you can see them selected.
Yes.
At the end, right.
Yep. Good job.
Big round in the hole. Right.
Here we go.
Sydney grenade pile driver there.
L1 we
They sound like nonchalant.
L1. L1 we go.
Yeah,
And then do L1.
I don't know.
Oh, best of all
Forest. Oh no, you give me shit. Viva Pinatas?
Viva Pinata.
Fi'n cofio lle yma.
Yeah, right near my
Literally just
fell
on the water.
dig minute ago. Beth yw Bannister?
Pa fan? Dim un.
Ti angen like training?
Soft locked her. Game hit.
Progress.
Wait. Yn gallu mynd i'r pen eto a edrych yma. Trio...
Desert?
Trio...
Picture desert eto?
No. Right, ni wedi figure ein lan. Right, mynd i'r... Chwith. Mynd i'r chwith. Yeah.
Chwith?
Yeah.
Just ready to see chwith.
Chwith.
Oh, chwith.
I'r chwith. Right, mynd i'r bloody pen.
Temp, right?
Edrych ar y map, ble ni'n mynd. Right.
Canal, dyna ble ni angen mynd?
Yeah. Sut ni'n... Right. Ni'n gallu just mynd na.
Yeah.
Okay, so, right. Pan ni'n...
Canal? Fi
So-
siŵr o'n nhw wedi dweud canal ni angen mynd.
Right.
Fe wedi gofyn am canal.
Ble ni fi? Right, here we go. Right.
Look.
Temple right,
Okay,
fair
fair
enough.
enough. Canal.
Ydy ni'n gallu mynd lan?
A wedyn lawr. Pico de gallo.
Right. Ni'n
Yes,
just...
yes.
No, ni ddim yn gallu.
Na, ni gallu mynd o'r forest.
Yeah, ni'n gallu.
Yeah.
So
Forest,
ni
a
ddim
wedyn
gallu
lan.
mynd i'r
Forest.
CR. Ni'n gallu
Let's
mynd
go
i'r CR.
forest lan then. Lan o forest.
Yeah,
Ni
ni
heb
ddim
fod
gallu.
o'r fast travel.
You
Ready?
ready? You ready?
God damn it.
Right. So
Same place
hang
he
on.
just wedi
Whoa,
dod
whoa,
o.
whoa, whoa.
It's
Right,
left-
hang on.
there was
Right,
forest.
mynd i'r chwith i'r forest.
Yeah, ni'n mynd i forest.
O'n i wedi trio?
Rwy'n ni'n mynd i forest, mae'n mynd i dod nôl.
Right, hang on now.
Alright, here we go,
Wait,
forest
wait,
then,
un-
forest.
So,
Forest.
ond, ni'n gallu mynd i... No,
Ni'n methu mynd i desert.
No.
ond mae'n mynd i
Forest.
nôl.
Yes, we're forest. Here we go. A wedyn lan. Ni'n gwylio am lan.
Yeah.
Chwilio am
Let's
lan.
mynd i'r forest.
Right. Plan. Roll out.
What about what?
No. La!
What are we doing?
Forest, bro.
Did you have love for it? Alright, sorry. Mae yn. Gyd bod yn dda. Actually, mae fe'n terrible, sorry.
Right, paid up mynd unrhyw le nawr. Just edrych. Sefyll o lan. Mae'n lan fan'na.
Yes, sut ni'n mynd lan fan?
Ni'n met.
Ni'n gallu...
Be ni angen neud yw tynnu llun o fe ar board map. Trio gweithio mon.
Just cael map. Tipping back. Oh. Down, boys, man.
Slow down, you're moving too fast. You need hwnna.
Oh my god. Right. Uppercut. Oh,
Oh, you're okay now.
yeah. straight away. Oh, right. Need your no. Need no.
Oh, flippin' flips. Here you go.
No.
Oh.
Oh, pin the wall.
Ah.
Perfect. No.
Oh my god. Right,
Right, oh, pin skill issue.
You mean land allowed, maybe? Oh.
Right. There we go. Hang on, that's me. Go. Oh, get it.
Locked in.
We're locked in.
Oh, bloody.
Do any mentor hyn?
Sy'n teimlo fel achos ni meddwl am maps. Sgwyd y cutscene. I di.
Hwn yn y...
I'n mynd ar
Get on the buggy back.
Oi, oi, oi! Ai!
Oh, nice one back.
Right.
Whoa! Right. Oh no. Okay.
DuckTales. Oi, oi, oi! Oh, get a special there, because Hammer then.
This is for this.
Chicken! You can go for the chicken. Hey dude, use L2R. Oh, this is a start in a tutorial thing. Emrys, big plans for the weekend? Nah, just Guacamelee. Nah, actually. Ddim eisiau lwcus, ond mae kids fi gyd ninjas yn chwarae sports.
Yna, ddim yn lwcus.
I fi fan cael weekend off. Dwi'n gwybod faint o bywyd fi sy'n cael ei gwastraffu ar bloody sports clubs, kids. Gormod.
What's the bet?
Nice, so. Ooh, barrel!
Come on in.
Let's go. Ti'n pwy bydd yn gwybod hyn?
No problem.
Yes, dim.
Mae hyn yn...
Town. Ai, towni.
Right.
Ni lli mynd i'r fforest nawr.
Ydyn ni?
Na.
Right. Bloody Charlie's goal.
How do you love interest?
Right. Ddim gallu...
Dim e. Oh, dim e. Dyna pob tro'r ateb. Lan neu lawr? O, hurt.
Man, obvious. Right, ni wedi gwneud hyn o'r blaen.
Here you go. You've gwneud super fight, bit. Oh, lan, oh. Oh,
come on, man!
there you go.
Right. Mae'n yn teimlo fel deja vu.
Paid mynd lawr achos ni'n cofio cael stwr am hwnna.
Mae'n fel dude.
Oh my god.
Right.
Beth amdano ti, Emrys? Beth ti'n neud dros y penwythnos? Oh, here we go. Hang on. Oh, mae'n yn boed. Oh, wyt ti'n gweithio chwaer hwn o'r Steam? Mae'n mynd llaw.
Ti'n gallu gwneud o fan'na? Neidio i'r... any... I don't feel
Aros.
I didn't, right. That's right. Well, this is the end of it. Good map. Map?
Oh.
No, right there, map.
Dim ond chwech y cant! Oh, what the hell? Sut ma ond yn chwech y cant?
Roedd Pedro, oh, that roedd yn fi.
Okay, so look, ni angen mynd I fanna.
Right there, right there, right. Ni
Right,
yma.
stop.
Rhaid ni
Right.
mynd y ffordd anghywir.
Ni ddim gallu mynd trwy'r...
Ni'n gallu mynd trwy drws gwyn.
Na. Ond ni gallu mynd lawr.
Ni'n gallu mynd lawr.
Come on.
Ti'n gallu just gwasgu bod yma every now and then. So ni'n
Yeah.
gwybod
Yeah. Mynd ffordd
Nice.
lawr.
Oh yeah! Yeah, but
Mae'n almost as bad as the cosmetic check.
Ti'n cael plan glimmerous am y gos. Mae o.
Fel echo yn
No, echo.
Mae e
Oh, fair enough.
Emrys.
Emrys, just ateb ni so mae ddim yn gofyn eto, please.
Cael plans am y ffyrdd.
Oh my god! There we go, yeah. Mae o'n pen. Nah, go on Emrys, first. Rhaid ni mas o misery ni angen gofyn. Lawr?
Lawr? Na, wait, hang on.
Yeah.
Ni ddim gallu mynd i'r...
Na, ni methu, achos mae yna bloca.
Right.
Bye.
Okay.
Mae e'n mynd lawr mwy.
Check it.
Check up. Check up.
Sure?
Yeah.
Right. Wait, check.
Yeah.
Ynddi.
Ynddi.
Wedyn,
Pam o'n i ddim wedi ffeindio hwn mas cyn? Oh.
Bore ti boy.
dwi'n lawr.
Da. Pawb?
Game boy.
Wedyn I chwi.
Pawb?
A fi. Right. Oh, mae'n hawdd i dweud.
Sure now?
Chicken.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, mae yn iawn. Oh, Jesus, mini jump. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Right, here we go.
Check it.
Check it out. Land.
Oh.
Hike fori os mae'r tywydd yn dal. Oh, nice. Oh my god. Hiking.
Na,
Ni
ni
bod
wedi,
yn y
na.
paid, mae'n shortcut. Na, yeah.
Right, come on.
Oh, goblin bye. Gwydyn nhw mewn fel Godfather.
Come on now.
Oh, damn. Canal de las Flores. Oh my god, with a right fan ar holl amser.
Eio? Aros?
Aros.
Oh.
Whoa. Yeah, mae'n definitely cael rhywbeth.
Whoa, ble ni'n mynd?
Na, aros here.
Oh, ti'n... Right.
Oh, bien.
Yeah, go on, man.
Edmund.
Progress,
Hey,
finally.
Hey.
Check in? Okay. Good news.
Felly'n gwrando arno fe.
Oh, crabs!
Mae lot o ffilms SpongeBob yn Oh, bosses. Dodge attacks. Oh, the
Come on, I'm waiting for 5 hours.
I'll just stop.
Oh. Come back. Right, whoa, no, whoa.
Whoa, spiky boy.
Tricky, you're
Back up. Oh. That's in front of
Oh yeah, lose but you're being chicken.
Chicken.
Whoa, head but I'm
Oh, flip.
Ti'n iawn?
Fian, fi wedi clenchio yn fwy.
Somehow.
Fi gwybod. That's it, I'm sure.
Disability friend, so he
I know.
carry on to you.
Carry on.
Carry off. Carry.
Head hard carry.
Oh, head but
Da iawn.
Whoa, Dalek fight down a ceiling, Dalek fight down a tower.
Nerd!
Ever softman back.
Nerd.
George? Okay. So
Just
jarring.
ready for it.
Huh? Yeah? Check him out. Whoa, now boys, wait, you mean low? You mean low? Where is it?
Alright.
Wait. Put him back. On, like. Oh, Nick well.
Not well.
Doctor check. Didn't beat it.
All the chicken heads, be quiet. All the chicken heads, make noise.
All ladies.
All ladies.
Got the video.
Yeah, massive heads.
Yeah.
A cartoon,
It's like counting or...
jump.
My head and BS.
Yeah, man.
But
What now?
I'll
Go on.
oh my gosh,
Vi kan se arrows and hera.
Wow, get ready.
Oh, wowzers. Wowzers.
What? Clear road.
Oh, come on, Navy Blue. Pwy sy'n neud hwn i fi? Navy Blue.
Clear a fel afro fel. Hang on.
Oh. Oh, draw.
Pump in draw.
Yeah.
Okay. Check your privileges. Check your privileges. Right, hang on. Right. Yeah?
Sure?
Laura Benny. Yeah.
No.
Laura, you mean? Back, Laura Benny.
Oh, loud.
Just say it, man.
Do you want to do it, Laura?
Di bod yma, ddo? Oh, flip ni di bod yma.
Oh.
Oh, okay, fine. Are you driving? Mashi. Oh, ni'r cwch. We think you don't like this stuff. What's that? I hope you open it.
Oh, great, hold on.
Oh, sit down,
Oh, what?
Oh, I'd have heard a trainer on it.
This would have been
Potatoes, that's surely. Potatoes. It's my turn to be on lookout. I'm a little jumping. Go to the village on left and we're not giving up without a fight. Seeing as you're not one of the skeletons, you're welcome here. As for me, I will continue to stay on guard, always on the alert.
Just
Never blink
a
it.
wild one. Just put it out there. You hope you get like a spot that. What's fishing? Is it just called a spot?
Scotta, yeah. Good job.
Yeah, probably our dock like.
Sitting down the dock of the bay.
And remind me of Jaws.
Oh yeah. More like nose. Bad jokes.
Oh, tackle.
Oh nice, did he help you guys? Alright, yeah.
crab for him.
Crabs.
Money. Oh, he's come on, mate.
What have we done to you? I'm trying to just tap.
Come here, boy. Come on, whoa! What? No?
Alright.
Whoa! Right, grab on. No. Right. No! Oh, I get it.
No!
Right. Oh,
Oh, that's good.
yeah.
Oh, nice launchy, right?
Right, hang on. Whoa, now, boy.
Oh, yes.
Right.
Yes.
Crab right.
Crab
Man, but
Maybe they'll show you now. Crab thing.
yeah.
Crab fishing, gold there. Something gold. Let's see if it's
Deadliest cat.
deadliest.
Deadliest cat.
Bye.
Yeah, boy. Throw your crab down the box.
Bloody crab.
No, platey mint. No.
Oh, nah.
Delta blind crab. Right. Get on here a minute. Right. No.
Oi.
Platey mint.
Oh, nice. Slam down the dabs. Oh, Callon. Ay. Canta ahí mayores. ¿Por qué cantando? Smell it. It's really amazing here. Take a deep breath, big guy. Let's smell that. Wait. That's yesterday's tilapia. Oh, me. Yeah, man, I'm weird. Here, rough. Oh, for you what? No. It's just a kid, but I remember the day of the volcano and watching my house pictures and blah blah blah. The old folks still talk about here, racing around the okay, it's new. That's how we do fishing. That's what skeletons are.
Very new platform like a more low.
I know, it's
My
stupid.
platform.
Yeah. Oh my god, just shut up, innit?
Like a mural, like a history, like probably marrow.
Oh god, really broke the bank of the month.
Oh, whoa. YnChwarae.
Oh, hello.
Myself.
Vigorous shiglov yna. The two o back yn anghyfforddus. Tri gadael. Finish it off. No. Dim diolch. Diolch yn cynnig, but dim diolch.
Really great.
Then, Mr. Shaky.
Let's say the boy here are hello, is it?
Yeah. Jesus. Check out that.
My map reading with it.
Yn ni'n mynd ffordd cywir, dwi'n check on man.
Na, dwi'n gallu mynd bit, right? Right, sure. Ni'n gallu mynd lan am hyn, ie. Ie, oce. Mynd lan y ffordd, dwi'n meddwl.
Mae'n dweud gwir, dydy hwnna'n meddwl ni'n gallu yan. Super annoying now. Oh, right, okay, sorry.
Right, ni'n gallu mynd.
Right. Barod?
Elevator secret, yeah?
Yeah, go on it. Rhywbeth newydd.
Lan. 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 Yeah. Lawr. pound oil, eh?
Okay.
Okay.
Just 50, I don't want to.
Oil? No.
Oh, here we go, monsters.
Oil right now.
Alright, go on then. Within Marsa. Okay. Kyle, graveyard. Yeah, send your graveyard. Where? Ah, just been for them all that. Jack.
Oh, they can't really plates.
Oh man,
Yes. Yeah.
Divia.
Oh, they're good. Dia de los Muertos.
Yes.
Oh, what? Can't
Oh, chica.
Yeah, better than tea.
Tea.
They're literally them on plate.
Oh, okay.
Okay, right.
You can't even do it. Sound. Like that. Do.
Wait.
Oh,
Only brought up.
invested.
Oh, speed runner, bye.
Oh, you got him in. Nah, worth. Sorry.
Oh, bloody hell. Very quick, man. Okay. Oh, he came in super Tyson, eh?
Tarzan,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, or uppercut. Oh, yeah,
yeah,
for now. Oh, here we go.
Secret.
Oh, just win secret. Right, awesome on the top. Keep that.
Low.
Oh, Mr. Gabber. Go on,
Not shaggy.
Yeah.
Whoa! Yikes! Zoink! You got super down with there, bro.
Whoa!
Down around here. You have like a town or something.
What did I do?
Frog slam. Yes.
Here we go.
Done everything, mate.
Danani.
Down the beaver.
Done off your frog slam.
Bloody frog slam. Peyton Brandon.
Battle down a frog slam.
Oh, yeah.
You know now, I don't have like favorite frog slam.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, naughty! Come on!
Lucky. How about?
Right.
Go between the part.
Uh-oh. Whoop.
Oh, nice. Clutchy clutch. Agua. What? Crab's over. For a crab? Fish market? Crab? On your crab?
Crank. What do you have a crank?
Cribbing who fell like
No, Kuban.
Kuban, yeah, Kuban who taught us. Cribbing. Here we go. Oh, what a sweetheart. Here we go. Come on.
Man Jones.
I don't know wrestling name.
Yeah, my
Man
son
Jones!
is pretty good at it.
Yeah. I forget what happened to Welsh wrestling.
Yeah, yeah.
Next up is Dude Man Jones. Yeah. Okay, Man Jones.
Think about it.
Oh,
Bit smash it.
Slap on
How's right
me.
No bread, no vegetables, just meat.
We got 3 minutes of playtime. Got you for 3
Yeah,
minutes.
yeah, on the
3
Spider-Man,
minutes
yeah.
of playtime.
On Spider-Man, yeah. In guy.
Den fine. Lars? Land? Min land med den. Okay. Ready? Now?
Now.
Skal du lukte det? Criw?
No, that was muzzle forward! Owain, you... Owain! Didn't I, Joe? Meat man! Meat man, Joe! Here you go, meat man. Got him now?
Yeah, pinhole. I'm sorry, isn't it? What?
Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Oh!
Fuck him.
I swear to God. Something was strappy.
Oh,
Oh, hello.
oh, hey.
Chicken man.
Oh, Noson.
Of course, we're just below there.
Whoa! Jesus! Jesus! You might join me that jokes get a team. My jokes.
Stay outside.
Yeah, det är loud. Ready to go.
Right? Mexico is just Mexico.
Yeah, Paris. Yeah.
Mexico. Come right.
Oh my God. Oh! Load it. See a flame facing the desert.
Cold, man.
Well, it'll come back. What's left? There's no one left yet.
I didn't tell you.
Och varför? Actually, varför? Varför? Achos oedd hwnna yn y lounge. A wnaeth ni gael teledu newydd yn lounge, so wnaeth hwnna cael promotion even in.
Motion.
So, yeah.
Bob's drunk. Alright.
Bob's drunk behind. Yeah.
Arctic meat. Hello, Ed.
Ah!
Come on, law.
Yeah,
Go, go. Stop on that.
Be fi'n edrych am platform os fi'n deud y dark now. Ooh.
Don't care. Di angen pipe o hefyd.
Yeah. No.
Right then,
Probably not. No, wait.
Hang on, unlock it.
Pen. Over. Oh, do they move kind of move?
Oh no. Oh no. stand. Yeah, falle.
I heb, hyd yn oed. Alright.
Beth yw progress? Zero progress.
Dwi'n gwneud nôl mewn rhaid progress.
Ni llaw y cactus da. Throw projectiles back in the cactus.
Oh,
Come on.
projectiles.
Darllen y bloody tech. Right.
Oh, didn't help. Oh, go on.
Oh. Skillish.
Right, here we go. Alright. Oh, boy, your thing, man. Right, next stage point then. Oh, Right, oi!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, seriously.
Fail.
Oh! Oh, bugger me! Oh, here we go. Diolch. Come on then. Come on, okay. Mind you hwnna, bach hwnna.
Back way.
Dwi'n fel o sas. Sas! Here we go.
Come here, man.
Right!
Hang on, bum. Okay.
Right, here we go. Christ, nice. O, ti'n gallu mynd lawr o fyna? O, ie, ti'n gallu...
Ie.
Oh, yes.
Sef yw hyn. Dyma ni, dyma ti.
Dyma
O, di mynd.
O, di mynd.
I'm made a bloody challenge mode again.
Sorry, nes i ddweud hwnna hefyd. Sorry. Sorry, okay, hwnna yw'r un olaf. Meddwl tro nesa, nawn ni gyd fel gyda gyd. Yes,
Stori Epig fi.
Oh,
Efo. Mae'n iawn.
We've had, guys, keep on bubble.
Mae
Might be off.
Right then.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully the best. Oh, well, the professional gamer. Roof on that, well, best person.
Meistr pob game.
There we go.
A greuoed.
Cywir, cywir. Hwna'n cywir. Cywir.
O, wedyn ti jyst yn dweud, ceffi preso.
Maybe prynu rhywbeth.
O, ni? At least fi ni ddim yn cam gymryd. Oh, no way! Surely ti'n gallu equipo fe? Alright, go on. Hey, here we go. Ah, okay, dyna ffordd da go for the stream. Right.
We ready for you?
Right, good.
Hang on. Hang on. Check
Good. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, so... Oedd hwnna'n hwyl.
Oedd e?
Wel, ni'n chwarae game fel na am spell. So, pam lai?
Mae'n good laugh. Ond ti'n angen trudge through
Yeah.
popeth.
Yeah.
Ond wedyn mae'n hwyl.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, so nawn ni gadle fanna.
Diolch am gwylio pawb. Diolch am gwylio.
Yeah, does dim byd fel nos Wener o Guacamelee am oriau ag oriau. Ond mae gen i 4 o'n ni, bydd ni'n redig trwy o'n a lot gyfer yma.
Ie.
No
Mae'n mynd i...
dim chance.
Ti'n meddwl?
Mae'n marw wedi.
Mwy o marw, yes, mwy o marw. Mwy o pam ti...
Mwy o marw. Mwy o gael coll.
Yeah,
Ti'n gwybod pedwar
Ond na,
post
ni'n gwybod sut i wneud y map nawr.
Ti'n
Yeah.
pedwar pinks ar yna fyna. Ble ti ddim yn
Ie, pa i cael pedwar pink
Well,
then? Nawn ni
dwi'n
newid.
meddwl nawr.
Fine, dau pink a dau glas. Dal methu gweld.
Na. Na,
Yeah, well,
ond na,
dwi'n
mwy
meddwl nawr.
opsiynau ddo. Ond mwy opsiynau.
Yeah,
So,
well-
nawn ni... Bydd yn ffain, bydd yn ffain.
Yeah,
So, fi'n credu, achos ni wedi buddsoddi gymaint amser, dylen ni definitely gorffen e. Ti ddim yn meddwl Owain neu symud ymlaen rhywun arall?
Na, bydd ni'n gallu.
Bydd ni'n
Yeah,
gallu.
and then just
Yeah.
a little,
Little.
yeah, gloss them over, like, you know.
Yeah.
Mae'n gallu bod mor o hir.
Ie, mae'n gallu.
Dim gallu. Mae dim gallu.
Mae dim yn gallu.
No, mae dim yn gallu.
Na, ddim yn gallu. Rai bod e... Beth yw'r progress ni?
Hang on, move list. Combo, like... Blue, bloody...
Grapple.
Guacamelee.
Yeah.
Downer cut. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. Mae ddim yn overall progress, mae'n progress o'r area dwi'n meddwl. Oh, wait, whoa.
Oh.
Dyma...
13 Whoa.
I mean, beth hwnna'n fel collectible?
Mae'n dweud main
okay?
story 7 hours. Main story plus sides 10 hours. Completionist 16. Dau neu 3 session yn gael.
Falle. Falle. Os ni'n dal yn enjoyo fe.
Yeah.
13 nawr.
Cofio hwn yw Super Turbo Championship Edition. Nid just
Ie.
regular.
Yeah, mae'n dweud.
Ie, mae'n dweud.
Mae'n dweud fyna.
Nes i brynu fe heddiw.
Roedd hwnna'n a Super Turbo Championship Edition.
Oedd e? Oh, good. Okay,
Search
fine.
for flame fish in the desert.
Right.
Perfect.
Un gripe sydd â fi am y gêm yma yw gormod o lo, gormod o siarad,
Mae'n llawn.
gormod o gorfod siarad.
Yeah, like...
Achos-
No, oh no. Yeah, mae'n llawer, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, os
O,
ti'n hoffi
Gallwn ni
fyna.
bod yn chwarae The Karate Kid heno, jyst yn dweud. Nes i mynd am hwn yn lle. Achos, o'n i wedi cael bwyd Mecsicanaidd, so oedd e kind of yn...
Pobl yn gwylio...
Addas.
Okay.
Na, fi'n gwybod, be ni'n bwyta. Na, nhw ddim.
Ni wedi cael bwyd Mexico. Fydda i ti
Yeah.
heb.
Yeah, sorry boys.
Probably.
Falle...
Unless you're Mexico.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Just saying. Not every food is Mexican food, you know.
Yeah,
Anything.
it's just food,
It's
isn't
just food, you know. It's Mexican food.
it? It's just food, you know?
Technically.
Just bwyd, you know?
Boil it.
Just bwyd.
Right there.
Right, dyna ni.
Yeah.
Adios.
Adios. Adios.
Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl fawr.
Ble mae'r...